You're dead. How tragic. What do you want done with your body? That's a great idea. Unfortunately, that doesn't happen. Your body is instead donated to science, and by that I mean it's stuck in a jar full of preservative and stuck into an 11th grade biology classroom. The same preservative used to keep my beautiful son Alfred, the dogfish that me and my lab partners spent 3 weeks dissecting in lab, to keep him nice and fresh. The same dogfish that when I sent my friend a text saying, "Hey, we're peeling a dogfish in lab today," he thought I meant we were skinning a live dogfish, which we were not. That preservative is formaldehyde, an organic compound up here, naturally occurring, that works to preserve dead bodies. So how this works is that when applied to dead things, formaldehyde works by creating covalent cross-links between amino acids in the proteins of the bodies. And how that works is the cross-links between the proteins anchor it to the cytoskeleton of the cell, making it more rigid and harder to decompose, as well as changing the structure of the proteins themselves, so it makes it a lot harder for the bacteria responsible for decomposition to actually get at the proteins, as well as being toxic to the bacteria themselves, so it actually kills a bunch of the bacteria that would be doing the decomposition. So when applied, the formaldehyde enters the cell and binds to a bunch of different amino acids, which reacts with uncharged groups on them and forms the crosslinks between those groups. It's very commonly used to preserve scientific specimens like these frogs to keep them intact and keep their tissues from not falling apart. And it's also used in the funeral industry with a mix of other chemicals to create embalming fluid, which is used to preserve the dead bodies until the funeral or for however long they're being preserved. So yeah, that is how formaldehyde works, and you learn what's gonna happen to your body after rigor mortis finishes and before you get buried. You get put in some embalming juice.